Tomato stew and rice. A main dish from Cameroon. Serves 2. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Cook stewed beef until tender. Separate beef from stock. Set both aside. Use a large cooking pot over medium heat. Pour in vegetable oil. Add salt and onion. Step 2. Stir onion while cooking until translucent. Pour in 5 cups of tomatoes and tomato paste. Add 1/4 teaspoon
Cook
salt.
until the liquid in the
Bring
tomatoes
to a boil
is completely
and add 2
reduced
cups
to
to
the
the consistency of tomato
Cook
paste
for about
and
40
oil.
minutes.
Measure the beef stock.
Step 3.
If it is less than
Serve stew
2.5
over rice.
cups, add water to make up the difference. Add the stock to the pot and cook for about 20 minutes. Add pepper, garlic, ginger, and meat. Cook for about 20 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.